Hello my dear friends. Today we are going to learn REST API automation using the RestAssured. For this, you know little knowledge about Maven and Java. Okay, so I checked various open source tools like RestEasy, DropWizard, Jersey, and this one is the most simple to use. So I have given various presentation on RestAssured and now I am planning to make complete video series from basic to advanced level, and finally we will make a demo framework at the end of the video series just to get you started. And now let's go to the index and see what we are going to cover in this tutorial series. Okay. So here I'm planning to we'll start from the some history of this rest assured, see the prerequisite rest assured project setup. Okay, then start with the some basic features: root setting, schema verification, post request verification, and you can see there are the groovy features, how we can use the groovy features in rest assured. Okay, then we see how to set the headers and cookies in your calls. Okay, then we see the how to set the query parameter, form parameter, okay, some path parameters, etc. We will see how to do the assertion on headers and cookies. We see some lambda expression, okay, how to use them, then your time measurement, okay, load testing kind of thing can also be done with this. Okay, then your response specification builders, then log, we will see the next is the logging. Okay, now this is a very interesting topic. We can see how to handle the SSL and TLS certificate issue in this. Okay, we'll see how to do the serialization, deserialization. Okay, then we can see how we can handle we can use the default parser, custom parser is there. Authentication we can check. This is going to be very interesting topic. Okay, basic authentication we will see. Then there is some digestive authentication, form authentication. Okay, CSRF authentication can be checked. OAuth 1 and 2 both can be handled in rest assured. Okay, and then there is a multi-part form data. We can check multi-part form data, and at the end of the video series, we will create a demo REST framework so that you can start with. You will have some base framework, and then you can make your own. Right, friends? So let's see. Let's go to the background. Okay, so versus REST. It's a very good and interesting thing, and you can just google this. We will not going to uh, put a lot of time on this. Okay, so difference between rest and soap. Okay, so you can see there are a lot of links are given in the google, so you can go around this and see what is the different. But as you already know that rest is majority is using in most of the projects, right? So that's why you are watching this video, right? Okay, fine. So let's open this site. Okay, see. So if you know that, so in Java, basically, it's very hard to automate or check the REST services, right? So it's very difficult, but they are very handy in Ruby and Groovy kind of languages, right? So now we have a very good tool in Java too, so that it makes your life really easy. Okay, so let's go to the who's. Okay, so Rest Assured has been developed by this person, this guy, John Halaby. Okay, and he has started this project in this company, JWay, back in 2010, right? And now this project has been moved to the Parkster. Okay, so now the latest releases are coming from this side. Okay, so this is really important to understand, because if you see the Maven dependencies for Rest Assured, then there is a bit of confusion, right? Rest Assured Maven dependencies. Okay, see the first link here. most of the people are going to open the first one, right? And this is a bit wrong because this contains the release till only 290, right? So this is the uh, this version is still maintained by JV Rest Assured, right? So but we have moved now to the latest one. So third link is the actual Rest Assured latest code, right? So this is group ID. See, the artifact ID is same in both rest-assured, right? The only difference is the your group ID, right? Here group ID is com jv rest assured, and here we have the group ID as io.rest-assured, right? So this is the latest one, right? So I will recommend you to go to the latest one, right? Okay, fine. Okay, so you need the Maven setup and Java setup to run this code. You need any ID, any IntelliJ Eclipse or whatever you are comfortable with. Okay, so we have seen this one. So this is really important. So go with the latest one, right? Okay, fine. So let's open a form.xml first, right? You will get some idea. So we have few dependencies, right? This is the latest one, 302 as of now. Okay, then the next one is the uh, JSON path. Okay, so this is basically used to pass the JSON documents, very important thing. Okay, then to validate the JSON schema and all this thing, you can use this one, JSON schema validator. Okay, this is very we will see in the upcoming videos how to use this JSON schema validator. In this, basically you have a schema, hard-coded schema put in a file, and your rest assured can verify your existing or your whatever the API is giving you the, so it can match, actually validate with the existing schema present. Okay, then this one is for the XML document. If your API is returning in XML, then you can use this dependency. Okay, then you can use any of the unit framework, like right now I am going with the TestNG. Okay, then this is very important dependency, where it is basically used for the regex kind of thing. Okay, so it's really very helpful in verifying the response of your API, right? So this is a small set of dependency. Okay, now let's go with the test. Okay, so it is very simple kind of thing. It's written in a BDD style. Okay, what is BDD? It's written in given, when, then. Okay, given is your precondition. Okay, set of preconditions. Then your let's see here, given, when, then. Okay, so given is the preconditions. Then when is the it defines the action you perform. Okay, whatever the action, like you hit the API, that is an action for you in this case, right? Then is the verification part. When you hit something, you do some action. So what is the result? Okay, what is the response? So that code comes into the then uh, under the then command. Okay, so given, when, and then. Okay, so only very simple thing, right? If you want to learn more about this given, then you go and search for the BDD keyword in Google, right? Fine. So friends, let's start with first test. Okay, let's uncomment this and see. Very easy. Here you are hitting this API. Okay, this is the public API I am hitting. Okay, so given you hit this API, then you verify the status code as 200. Right, let's run this one. Green pass, right? Great. There one more test is running, this one. Okay, let's uncomment this for the timing. Fine, great. Okay, so let's see the, let's run one more time. Okay, see the console output. So it's very simple. Simple one test, run one, failure zero, skip zero, and passed. Okay, nothing more than that. Okay, let's see the next step. Here I have simply logged all things. Okay, so dot log dot all. Okay, let's see this one. You will see the difference in output. So it will basically print the complete response in console only, right? So it will help you in debugging the things and to better understand your response, right? So you can see here in console, see, so complete information about your request and your response is coming here, right? So this is your request part and this is your response part, right? Great. Let's go to the next one. What we are doing here. Uh, okay, fine. So this is the XPath is given, and you are hitting this service /us, and you are in body. You are verifying that the name is contains United States of America. Before hitting this, let's run this manually and see what I mean to say. So this is I already hit here. So what I'm verifying here, these are the nodes. Rest assured dot result dot name should be United States of America. Okay, this is I mean to say. So now let's run this. Okay, so it's passed fine. So see how easy is this? You can simply write the XPath of nodes and you can verify whatever the result is, right? Now next is multiple content. Okay, fine. If you are hitting this get slash all, okay, so let's hide this manually. So it's giving a long list of countries, all the countries, right? You can see a long list. So in this list, suppose we have to verify only few countries, like, so I am verifying here has elements. So this list, it will give the complete response, and I am verifying has items Afghanistan, Argentina and Australia. Okay, so in the long list you can verify very easily, right? This is very handy, right? So this way you can verify a part of data. Okay, what next? So see, here I am setting the headers and the parameters in the call API call. Okay, these are the dummy values, so don't go with them. You can add your headers as per whatever the given with your REST API, right? So here what we are doing, simply we have put the parameters and headers in the call, then you hit the call and then you verify the status code. Okay, so don't get confused that earlier we are hitting the API in the given, under the given, and now we are hitting the API under the when. Okay, so it doesn't make any difference. Okay, you can write here also when and then. Okay, so it doesn't make any difference. Okay, so it's just a nomenclature so that it is good to understand. Okay, in plain English language. Okay, given, when, then, this way, right? Okay, fine. So let's go to the last test in this. Okay, so you have noticed that we are currently using in this format, like every new line, in new line we are giving a new statement, right? What if we are want to if we are comfortable in this kind of statement in one line, or to just save your line of code, so you can also write in this kind of model, right? So here I have written, so in this thing we need this and keyword, this one, right? Just to increase the readability. Okay, so let's read here, like, given parameter is this and headers are these. When you get this call, then status code is 200 and body is this, right? So this is and is just introduced just to increase the readability. Even if you remove this and, it doesn't make any difference. Okay, let's run this. Okay, so you can see, okay, I'm doing control Z again. So okay, fine, so it will run, right? So we have seen the JSON output, right? How easy is rest assured to automate the REST APIs. Okay, let's see a few more test for the XML part. Okay, so most of the REST I have seen in my career, most of the API are nowadays are using the JSON output only. But let's see few XML part just to show that, and just to show you that the rest assured is also handling the XML part very easily. Okay, let's run this in the browser. Okay, so this is the XML document, right? So this is the node, customer ID. Customer is the node. ID, first name, last name, street, city is the child node. Okay, so we want to verify all this data is coming, whatever the data is coming, we want to verify this, right? So let's see. So given get this call, you hit this call, API call, then you verify that body customer. This is the parent node. This is the child node. So parent dot child node equal to 10. Okay, so okay, fine, this id is 10. Okay, we want to verify this ID. Okay. Okay, so let's run this one. Great. Okay, log.all is written, right? So see, this log.all is written. That's why a complete request and the response is coming here only. No need to manually run in some browsers. Okay, so this is passed. Okay, so let's comment this one again, and also comment this one. Okay, now let's see the second one. Okay, here we are in one go. We are verifying the complete XML document. Here, what we are doing, given get, you get this call, then in body we are verifying customer.id equal to 10, customer.first name equal to Sue, customer.last name Fuller, kind of thing. In one go you are verifying this thing, right? So you can run this and see the output. Wow, great, fine. So let's go to the next one. So what is that? What we are doing here, completing the, okay, fine. So in this way, in this example, we are verifying child by child, node by node, right? What if we want to simply fetch the complete text of the response and verify in one go, right? This is also handy, but it will be confusing if the response is very big. So I will recommend to go this way if the XML is large, and it's your choice, right? You can see. Okay, so over here we are doing customer parent dot text. So it will fetch all the text part of the response, and in one go it will verify the complete text. Let's see. Great, right? So I'm just showing you that how there are a lot of different ways you can automate your APIs, right? So the next one is has XPath. So see, this is the XPath support has also been given in the rest assured, right? So you have to simply give the XPath like customer slash first name, okay, and contains string. So right, so let's skip this run, but it will pass, right? So let's go to the last one. This is interesting. So let me show you. Okay, let's run this and then I will show you the response. Okay, here only. Okay, so okay, we haven't put the log.all, so let's put here dot log dot all. Okay, so now let's again run this one. Oh, okay, so see what I am here doing. So this is the request part. Okay, this is the response. In response, I am verifying this is the your parent node, and these are the child node. in that I am verifying that there is some value 40 is present here, okay, in 40th node. Okay, so let's see. So what I am verifying here, that the body has XPath invoice list slash invoice containing text is equal to 40. Okay, this is the XPath style, XPath regex style. Okay, so this way you can uh, apply the regex. Okay, so see, so in this video we have seen that how easy is the rest assured, right? Very easy. So in the next tutorial we are so till now we have covered, I think, this one part, right? So this is just to show you that how uh, we can automate. You can practice till this time, till this part, right? And in next series we will start with this one, right? 4.2 root settings, schema verification, etc., and see how it goes, right? So thanks friend for watching this video, and I'm hoping the next video series is coming really soon, right? Yeah, thanks.